Most healthcare organizations still move sensitive financial and clinical information into someone else's cloud just to access advanced intelligence. That model is outdated. With Alexander Software as an edge service, the software moves. The data stays. Intelligence is delivered directly into your controlled environment. From one secure command center, users select exactly which intelligence applications they need. Each approved application is securely delivered on demand, without a heavy local installation or complex software stack. The intelligence you need when you need it. Inside Beyond Care Intelligence, claims, denials, payments, contracts, and supporting healthcare information come together in one unified platform. The capabilities extend from executive insight to denial reconstruction, underpayment analysis, payer behavior, appeals, remittance intelligence, and recovery targeting. This is the core of SaaES. The latest approved application is delivered when requested, runs locally inside a temporary isolated environment, and is removed when the session ends. The next request brings the latest approved version again. This is where architecture becomes financial impact. BCI separates denied claims, zero paid lines, partial payments, underpayments, and clean claims, helping teams see where revenue is leaking, understand why it happened, and prioritize the opportunities most likely to produce results. Alexander SaaS plus BCI turns fragmented claims and payment information into actionable recovery intelligence. Denials, underpayments, write-offs, contract variances, and payer behavior can represent millions, potentially tens of millions, in identifiable earned revenue opportunity, all delivered securely to your edge. Now consider the economics. Illustrative outsourced RCM pricing of 4 to 8% of annual net collections can equal $4 to $8 million on $100 million and $40 to $80 million on $1 billion. Under Alexander's proposed 0.1% model, those figures become $100,000 and $1 million. Broader intelligence. A dramatically smaller commercial footprint. Stop paying millions to move your data, and then rent back the intelligence hidden inside it. Software as an edge service changes healthcare by bringing advanced technology directly to the information, reducing exposure, lowering technical burden, and helping providers recover more of the revenue they have already earned. Bring Alexander Software as an edge service into your environment. Prove it with your own data. See the opportunity for yourself. The software moves. The data stays. The value remains with you.